See, this room is now locked. Now, how did I lock it? No, not that. We are gonna unlock the room. Come on, unlock, unlock, unlock.
Is it on your page now or I can't see you?
It's not yet.
Wait lang ah.
Okay.
Actually, people can see you now.
Let me see first.
So, can everyone see both of us? Oops. The reason why you can't see me.
There you go.
Mm. But I do not see myself. Anyway, okay lang yan. Hello, everyone. Am I in the right channel? We have 52 people right joining. Do you see the comments, Kim? Of,
Yeah, here you go.
No, I can't see them.
you can.
Can
Okay.
you? No, I can't. But
Yeah,
can you?
I can see it on my
Okay.
side. Let me see if I could share my screen with you. If I share my screen, do you see the comments on the right side?
Yeah, but it's tiny.
It's tiny.
Mm-mm.
Um, hmm, hmm, hmm. How do I share this screen?
Well, hello everybody who's watching. Hi, I'm Kim.
Sorry everyone, medyo
Newbies. We're
first time,
newbies on this.
first time namin subukan. So, thank you to Kim. She said yes today. So, there's really a lot of people saying hi. I wish that I could share all of this into full screen. Um, I'm trying to figure out a way so that you could see all
The
the
comments.
comments. See corporate principles, settings. Mm. Anyway, um, uh, so Kim, what's keeping you busy nowadays? There are a lot of people here, and actually surprised that it's you. Uh, wow, yung first love team sana si Terry at si Kiko. Someone is saying. Uh, and they watch us both sa Eid Bulaga because I
I
also guested sa Bawal.
know.
So,
Kawalan judgment. Nauna kaya,
yeah.
I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um, Kiko, si Gabby. Kiko and Terry, oh my God, my faves. I really wish that I could, you could also
Share
see,
the comments. It's
share the
okay.
comments. Maybe next time we'll look for another format. Um, kasi ang liit eh.
Yeah, it is tiny.
I just don't know if there's a way of, uh,
Making it bigger.
yeah, watch together. No, it's not the one. Full screen edition. No, still in there. Anyway, sorry. I really tried to share the screen. Um, the way magsalita kayo, it's still the same. Um, so so what's going on with you, Kim? People are, I know that you just recently have, an interview with is it Pep? Na, um,
Okay, Jojo Gabinete. Yeah, I just had a recent, yeah, it's a PEP?
mhm,
PEP.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
I'm a nurse. Nurse ako sa America. I'm a nurse. I'm a registered nurse. Yeah, I'm a dialysis nurse sa ngayon. I actually just accepted a new position for a new job, so I'm kind of excited. Um,
Still the same place, same city, or you're moving again, or
oh, no more moving. Nakabili na ako ng bahay, so no.
naunahan mo pa ako. Mhm. Hi, Kim.
Ano, ano to?
So lovely. From Bien Almoite. Sorry if I murdered your name.
Mhm.
Uh, um, so you said you accepted a new position.
Yeah, it's with my other job. I work two jobs.
Okay.
Yeah, I work two jobs, so I took a different position to grow para naman maiba, 'di ba?
Um, of course, you're working sa frontline with
Yes.
COVID around. It's brave soul, brave soul. Um, you know, I am exposed to people also. I'm in the hotel
Mm-hmm.
industry, but you are really in the front line. So thank you for all you do. All of the nurses around the world, kung meron man dito sa mga nag-message sa atin na who are also in the front line, thank you so much. Yung ginagawa niyo is very, very it's really heroic.
Thank you.
Uh, it's really heroic. I it's I can't even compare or what I do with what you guys do. I don't
It,
I see. Sinasabi nila na hindi daw ako makita. So,
yeah,
sharing
there
the
you go.
okay. So, um, according to Jaris Clemeno, you are so brave and courageous enough to do your
Thank
job. Alam ko,
you. Mahal,
niligawan ni Red si Kim dati. Ah, napabalita yun. Actually, hindi. Ex-girlfriend ko si Kim.
first boyfriend ko yan. Na alam ng
Yeah.
tatay, yeah.
Yes.
Oo.
Hindi
So,
lang niligawan. Ex-girlfriend ko si Kim.
yeah.
A long, long time ago. Uh,
Yeah.
So, yan, yung mga nanonood ngayon, who's listening to us or watching us,
Yeah.
I'm actually surprised na um, konti lang may alam. Actually, kasi yung ni Dean, well, it wasn't really a secret, but I guess
No.
it just never came
Yeah.
out. Malihim
I
ako eh.
think malihim tayo. But you are though, yeah. You are.
So, wow, past GF and the BF, we have been good friends
I
ever
know.
since. That was a long, long time ago. I was actually I'm reading yung mga comments.
Comment.
Yeah.
Mm.
May nagtatanong kung niligawan ko daw sa Vika.
No.
Anyway,
Uy.
Say
Uy.
you.
Ano
um,
kaaminan-aminan?
Tsaka nung napag-usapan kung if ever si Ray ka maging guest ko.
Oo.
Um, um, ibang usapan niya. Ano yung, what were we talking about? Nawala ako dun sa...
We were doing the work. But how about you? I mean, you've been here for a while na rin, di ba? You have 3 kids.
I've been here since 2007. So, I'm nasa hotel industry ako. All my 3 kids were actually born here in the US already. So, yung mga nagtatanong kung actually hindi pa ako umuwi sa Pilipinas since 2007. January of 2007 when I moved here sa US.
13 years
So,
na rin yun, ha?
yes.
Wow. Have you guys have plans of going home or visiting?
Mahirap kasi. Especially sa responsibility ko with work. You know, I'm a general manager of a hotel. So everything is on my shoulders. You know, I run the hotel. So ang hirap umuwi tapos andun ka lang for, you know, how can I leave the hotel for 2 weeks or more? Who will run the hotel? That's one.
True.
It's how long po yung relationship niyo?
Memorize mo pa?
I have an idea.
Yeah, let me see if you know. Let me see if you know first.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Let me see if you remember. Curious lang din ako.
Do you remember?
I'd say. Siyempre first ko eh. So of course I remember.
Ano? Kailan naging tayo?
You just don't remember. Typical dude. See, I want to give a ballpark, more or less, at least.
Maybe around 8 months.
Not far. 9 months. 9 months.
See, 9
9
months.
months.
9 months. We were together for 9 months. I'm just scrolling this down. Am I in DC? No, I am not. I am in Florida. And Kim is in Texas.
Texas.
Assistant manager will run the hotel. The assistant manager actually cannot run the hotel. Yes, temporarily, but not for a long term. 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Hindi ako uuwi ng Pilipinas just for 2 weeks. You know, it's
The travel alone.
The travel alone, hindi worth it. If I would like to go home, I would like a minimum of 3 weeks or at least a month. Especially as if naman babiyahe ako na ako lang. You know, it's the whole family. So that's 5 of us traveling. Medyo mahirap. So
after a while, siguro, just give it a few.
Yeah, especially ngayon na yung bunso ko just turned 1. And then you have COVID pa around. It's hard traveling. We're in that age na ano kasi na it's well me, you know, for me it's like I am exposed to guests every day. Luckily, I've had close, I dodged the bullet, in other words, 4 times already. My last COVID test was last week and it's negative. So, I dodged the bullet 4 times already. Yung concern ko is not even me. It's
the kids.
It's the kids. Lalo na yung bunso ko na, he's only 1 year old. nakakatakot na magkasakit ako, mahawa ko sila, yun ang nakakatakot. Or andun din yung thought na I get sick, something happens to me, what happens to them?
Yeah.
You know, it's not that easy. I can't take things
Lightly.
na lightly.
Mhm.
You know, there's a lot of never mind work. You know, work is work. At the end of the day, they could always look for someone else to replace me if needed, if something happens to me. But my family can't.
Oo naman.
So travel when it's really safe, but not now. Yes, I agree with you.
In Shortbread, they just want you to go home. They want you to visit the Philippines. Kaya siguro nangungulit.
Yeah,
You
I
know,
remember-
syempre they miss you.
of course, you
You
know,
know.
all of us, and of course, gusto rin nila yung buong barkada together.
Yeah.
And it's been a while. You know, the last time I saw sila Bob and Mike was before, you know, maybe a week before I left the Philippines. Yung aking despedida. And the last time I really appeared on TV was 2002. Is when I actually considered myself retired in show business. You know, I went to the corporate world after that. Alam mo naman ako, medyo ever since, you know how my brain works. Since sinasabi ko yun dahil ex-girlfriend ko siya, alam niya kung paano ako
Yeah.
ibig sabihin, episode 1, ibig sabihin ba na nung nag-taping pa kami ng TGIS Batch 1 na kami ni Kim?
Yes.
Yes.
Money for us. Yes. I think it all started with me wearing red.
Actually, that's where,
I guess,
actually, nung ginawa natin ang Where the Girls Are, we were together.
yeah, tayo na nun.
Nung,
Yeah. Tayo nun.
girlfriend ko si Kim nung ginawa namin ang Where the Girls Are.
Where the girls are.
Tapos after na iniwanan niya ako.
Hmm? May pinagselosan muna ako bagong lahat.
Ako, bagong tayo yan na iuungkat
Oh,
nila.
man.
Since nung napanood ko po yung TGIS, si Sir Red talaga yung lagi kong inaabangan. Ang pogi till now.
Oh.
Oh, thank you so much, Hayes. And of course, Ivy says, "Oh my God, Kimmy!" And then of course, si Yana si Yana pa nagsabi nun? Yeah, is laughing na iniwan mo ako. Oo, iniwan niya ako. Kailan naging kayo? What year? Oh my goodness.
Oh God. Kung year, hindi, yeah, that's complicated. Mahaba yun.
Magko-compute pa kami.
Oo, maraming mat yan.
That time na Where the Girls Are, kung kailan man lumabas
Kung
yun.
kailan man yun, kami yun.
Basta 90s.
Okay na yun?
90s. Mga gurang na kami.
Ha?
Gurang na ako. O yan, okay. Okay ba yan?
Hindi, Iniisip ko si Bobby. Sabi ko, oh God, How old is Popsy?
Bob is, I think, a year or two older than me. So I'm 18, so he's 20.
Okay, let's leave it at that. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Yeah,
Cheers. 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 Painom ako doon.
Hindi ko sasagutin yung isang question dyan na kung naging kami ni si whoever.
Sino yun? Sino yun? Marami yun eh. Mahaba ang pila noon. Look up na lang. Look up.
Dalawa lang ang naging ex ko in show business.
Okay, ako yung isa. Who's the other one?
Ewan ko.
Secret na yun? Secret na yun? Ganon?
Actually, it's funny because may nagtatanong kung naging kayo daw ni Ding Dong.
No. Magagalit ang buong bayan yan. No.
Tapos may nagtatanong kung niligawan ka daw ni Ding Dong.
No.
Actually, hindi. Kasi during that time na nung nag-start ang TGIS, so kayo and kami, the teams, suppose, yung kami nila Bob, and then kayo and sila Chico and everyone, and then nawala kayo sa TG and kami naiwan. Well, not completely nawala, but yung story na focus sa amin, tapos kayo, and then you were in Anak Karenina. Doon kayo
nag-concentrate
ni Ding Dong. But during that time na during that time na you were in Anak Karenina, we were together already.
Us?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So, yes, hindi niligawan ni Dino si
Ding Dong.
Ni Ding Dong, si Kim during that time because the girlfriend si Kim that time. Until nung iniwan niya ako.
Talagang hugot pa. Wow, malalim yan.
Siyempre, kunwari may konting drama.
Oo, kaya pagkigyan na natin.
16-year-old here, but I'm a big fan of TGIS. Super love your Barkadahan. I'm really impressed with, amazed, not impressed, but amazed that since since na in-air ulit ang TGIS lately.
Nakikilala tayo ulit. I know.
Nakikilala, it's more of the younger generation could still relate with the stories of TGIS.
Yeah. Credit yan kay Direct Mark. When he made the show, remember when we did the first sit-in sa Viva na parang sinabi niya, I'm gonna make a good show. And he kept his word. It was a show that lasted a long time.
It would have lasted longer. It would have lasted longer. But of course, there are situations that
hindi na makontrol.
I'm just reading kung ano yung mga ibang comments. It's not only Mark, it's Mark,
Dominic, and Kit.
Kit,
there was another, I can't remember.
Yung mga ibang writers na sumunod.
Yeah.
There's a lot of them. Sorry if you're watching and or mapanood
the
nyo
names.
Their names, but there was a lot. But yung actually even yung the stories that they come up with every character is he hindi siya it's really a story about friends and what's going on in real life. That's why people right
Can
now could still relate
relate.
sa TGIS, and there are new fans of TGIS, of all, both batch 1, 2,
Three.
and 3. I think it was a third
3.
batch, right?
Sila Ann, yeah, si Ann. Sila Ann yan.
Na especially yung up to now they're young and they're seeing that, even though it's a 90s show, just because yung mga stories na that we were doing is a true to life thing. It really happens to all of us. That's why they relate to it, and I'm glad that they are enjoying the show, that they could relate and hopefully learning from it. Each character there, may mga ups and downs. Kiko had time he was into drugs. I just don't remember if it was TG or growing up already when that happened. And it happens, it happens in real life. People get lost in their way, and hopefully family or friends would guide them back to the right way.
Yeah, it's a part of growing up, I guess. May mga tao talagang dumadaan sa mga ganyan.
Mm-hmm. And actually may mga nagsasabi nga na some of the TGIS fans said that hindi nila medyo nagustuhan ang growing up. I guess some of them saw some growing up episodes dahil medyo darker or heavier ang growing up. And that's exactly why we had growing up. It was tackling
more mature.
We were addressing more mature situations. And which is also a real life thing. And it was really a surprise when the show ended, the way it was, or the way it did. But
Yeah.
it is what it is.
Everything happens for a reason.
Isang all right naman daw dyan. Okay, all right.
All right.
Line ng mga boys. Closest girl barkada mo po sa TGIS? Hehehe. Wow, Tere and Kiko. My favorite, ang payat na ni Tere. Pero ganun pa din ang voice niya. Miss ko tuloy TGIS. Just reading. So I agree to Red. I prefer TGIS than growing up. Yes, again, it's because of yung mga people think actually that growing up is different than TGIS. No, it's the same cast. Now growing up was after we graduated high school, and growing up was we were in college. That's why we were tackling more serious situations, and yeah. So I never knew that nung I was actually watching a portion of that interview you had.
Which one?
The one na binanggit mo na.
Oh, okay.
Hindi mo sinabi na iniwan mo ako. Yung mga hirit ko, galing humirit. baka bigla akong batuhin ng asawa ko dito. Kung nakita niyo may lumipad na sapatos dito, asawa ko yun. So you had a fiance for you were together for
10 years.
10 years.
Mm-hmm.
I thought that you broke up late.
Yeah, I think there was one time na nakwento ko rin yata sa'yo yan somewhere na we had our moments na you actually told me one day na parang if you're not happy then let him go.
Yeah, I did.
I think we had one of those conversations where you did tell me that. He's a very nice guy, don't get me wrong. Mabait siya. He's a very nice guy. It just so happened that parang for a long time, if you're staying at the same spot and you don't grow, medyo mawawala yung, sometimes you have to let a person go.
Yes.
Which you were right. Nasa point na ako, I would rather be alone than be with somebody and feel alone.
Yeah. And even you've been married.
Yeah.
And even in marriage, there are challenges. There's always, whether it's a relationship, the boyfriend, girlfriend, or in marriage itself.
Yeah.
There will always be challenges. You were married with Dino for how long?
I was together with Dino for 7 years. We were married 2 years. 2 years. Nag-live-in muna kami. Parang haba ng mga story ako. Yeah. And then we got married.
Naging kayo po ba ni Rica doon? Ano yan? Sa School Bulol at Silaw. Ewan ko. Hindi ko maalala eh. Tapos, well, maybe, one time, we'll have Rica here and we'll let her.
I would love to watch that one.
Si Kim ang, si Kim ang nandito. Si Rica tinatanong niyo, kayo talaga.
Kasi kayo love team eh.
Porket ba love team, kayo na? Bakit si Bob at si Angelo? Bakit si Michael at Raven? Hindi naman.
I know, right? I know. But Bob and Angelo always had that special bond, though.
Yes, they did.
Had like a special bond.
I guess. I guess that was the challenge of Viva sa akin kasi very when it comes to love team, because most of my girlfriends when I was in show business were non-showbiz people.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, hindi talaga ako lobas or had a lot of dates with people who were in show business. Ang hirap eh. It was a hard it's a hard relationship to have. But at the same time, it was also hard. Kasi I can't ask you the question of, kasi you didn't. You never had a boyfriend who was a non-showbiz while you were in show business.
No.
So, it's a
no. It's you and Dino that yun lang.
Yeah. I did.
Yeah.
So dalawa lang ang naging girlfriend ko in showbiz. Hulaan niyo yung isa. Kilala mo yung...
I think you did mention it to me, pero showbiz ba siya or more of musician?
No. That's different.
Iba pa yun?
Iba yun, iba
Oh
yun,
my
iba yun.
gosh!
Tapos bading daw ako.
Ako yun. Ako yun. Sorry. Ang dami kasi.
Pinag-uusapan actors, actresses. Actually, she was not an actor. She was more of a host. Na nakaka kasi nung nag-guest ako sa Itbulaga. And people were commenting on Facebook on my phone. I think I opened Facebook on kasi tatlo yung monitor ko.
Oo, linaive mo.
Set up to here. And someone said, si Red may ex-girlfriend sa Itbulaga. Sabi ko, sino?
Oh,
Jeez.
I know now. I remember now. Okay. Now I know who she is. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I remember now.
Totally na she was, in Itbulaga.
She was. Yeah, now I remember who she is.
Naman sa akin kung sino yan. So, ang chick boy sa mga boys ng TGIS.
Si Red yun?
Yun ang chismis. Ba't mo naman nasabing chick boy ako?
Hindi ba? Well, no. No, it's always one at a time. Yan lang ang maano ko kay Red. Talagang one at a time. Hindi niya pinagsasabay-sabay. Hindi katulad ng iba. Look up.
Hindi na pagkakalat niya. So,
Ay, wala.
lang.
Wala.
Ha?
Walang yan.
Ano yun?
Nagkasabay-sabay ka rin ba?
No.
Kaya nasala.
Hindi nung tayo.
No.
Hindi nung tayo. Ang sama ko. No?
Amen.
Hindi. No. Anyway, so going back, dalawa lang. Most of it was hard for it's hard na magkaroon ng relationship with someone in the industry because of sometimes schedule. Dahil sometimes I had to go to your set para lang magkita tayo. Or sometimes it's after work. So mahirap, and it was also difficult having girlfriends who were non-showbiz. Kasi
Love team ka.
Well, aside from schedule-wise, yung mga fans don't understand na I remember one of my ex-girlfriends couldn't walk beside me in a mall. She was like always like 2 steps or 3 steps behind me sa mall dahil lang sa mga fans na either they get aggressive or nang lalait. Alam mo yan? Or just sometimes uncomfortable lang yung attention na the attention that I'm getting, and medyo how do I explain it? Parang choking. In other words, yung relationship. It was difficult. Sandy actually never knew that I was in show business. She had an idea, but she never really you know,
Sandy's from here though, right? She's from Dallas.
um, actually all over then. Her early years, they were actually in Arizona, and then also Dallas. Tapos when we moved here sa US, we were in Dallas, then Houston. And then from there, we've been city and state hopping. So Sandy talagang grew up here sa
Sandy was
US.
the one who told me about kulachis. It's
What's
like
that?
a bread that they have like meat in the middle of it. Siya pa nagsabi sa akin na I should try it. Kasi nga Texas. So I was like, see, me and your wife, we talk.
Mm.
I'm just teasing you. I like her. She's very nice. You chose right.
Yeah, I did. You know, obviously we have 3 lovely kids, so yeah, you know,
And ilan years? How many years have you guys been married now? 18?
15.
15? Damn, look at you, Red. And this is a guy that really wanted to be a bachelor for the rest of his life. I remember that dialogue.
Yep. I really thought na I will be a bachelor my entire life.
Yeah, I remember it. Yeah.
And wala akong hilig sa bata.
Yeah, I remember that. And now you have 3, and your daughter is so beautiful. Your 2 daughters, the baby boy. Oh my
Para sa
God.
akin.
Tinanong ko nga kung yung anak mo yan nasa likod, and that's your wife in the picture in the back. I was like, hey, look at Sandy.
Ewan ko lang kung nakikita nila, but that picture over there, yeah, that's my wife.
I was like, wow, look at Sandy. Woo.
And all of these pictures are actually, or this ones,
Mm-hmm.
these are pictures taken
By your wife?
by Sandy.
No?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Grabe. Very talented, and she cooks so well.
Yeah.
Ang ganda mo. See, I told you. Yung mga chikiting mo, oh, look at them.
She really has a good eye for
Art
yeah.
and fashion.
Mm-hmm. Alam mo naman ako si Mr. G.
Toing.
Oops.
Is that you?
Yep.
Ang ganda ng kuha niya.
Yeah.
She's really
It's really
good. Yeah, you're blessed.
At nagkarat pa ako dito. Papaluin ako sa ako.
Ligpit mo, baka mamaya siya pa magligpit. At least alam natin mabait, tumutulong si Red. Oh, pagbigyan.
Si Michael Flores is in the room. Michael Flores is in the room. Really?
Really? Where's Mike?
Tignan nga natin kung
if you can join him, then that would be
andali,
nice.
Tignan natin if I could invite him. Let's see. No one else.
So what time is it there?
In Manila right now?
No, sa
inyo.
You're in Florida, right?
Time tayo. Central.
10? Oh.
Central ako.
10?
Yeah, it's 10.
Okay.
How do I add you, Mike? Ito na naman ako sa buting-ting dito. Oops, nope, not that one. I'm gonna share this link and I'll see if
Mike can join us. Yeah.
Wrong person. Sandali. Ako, pag si Mike maka-join sa atin, may makulit tong usapang ito.
Well, at least, ano tawag dito, I haven't seen him in a long time.
Kasi somehow I can't unlock
The room?
the room. I've been trying to unlock it kanina pa. Kailangan kapag-experiment dito. Well, it's the first time kasi I've ever used it. So, kasi kanina when I invited you, you were not able to get in, ano?
No.
Actually, mukhang hindi siya online eh. Baka hindi. Anyway. So, let's see kung ano mga tanong dyan ng mga tao na... Meron ba kayong tanong kay Kim? Kasi yung mga comments nyo hindi nakikita ni Kim. Unfortunately, nasa side ko lang. So, tell Kim to watch your live to sa another device.
Active si Mike.
Active si Mike? They were asking you to watch it on another device para you could see the comments.
Let me see. Saan ko pa rin panoorin?
Are you on your computer or you're watching?
I'm on the
phone?
I'm on the laptop. I have my phone on the side. Yeah. Hindi Zoom ang gamit namin. We are using FB Live. Yeah.
So,
okay, now I see it. Yeah, okay.
there you go.
Buti pa yung mga bagets. Alam na alam nila
sorry.
eh. Thank you.
Kasi, well, si Fatima loves your hair daw. Yeah, I love your hair.
Thank you. How is Kim as a girlfriend, Red? Oh, wow. As in, ako patuloy na patalong. Ay, good luck! Baby pa ako niyan. Very selfish ako. Ako na magsasagot yan. Sakit ako sa ulo. Oh, man. Ako na sumagot. Sakit ako sa ulo. Sorry po.
Iniwan niya ako eh.
May chance pa ba bumalik kayo ng showbiz dalawa? As for me, masaya naman ako na nandito pa sa States. And plus, I'm still in school right now. So, not yet. But if given an opportunity, I'll make the decision when it's there. How about you, Red?
No.
Ay,
Bilis.
ayaw mo na talaga? No, na talaga? Kasi mga bagets. Paano kung one day sabihin sa'yo ng bagets mo, ang ganda-ganda ng bagets mo eh. Papa, I wanna become an actress. Ayaw mo, kasi boyfriend no, tatakot ka no.
Baka may makilala si Red doon eh.
Ay. Marami kayong fans ni Rika, oh.
Yeah,
Rika, marami kayong fans.
Nako, madaming quiet lang ako kasi ayokong humirit.
Saan?
Wala.
What?
Wala.
How is Red as a boyfriend? Malambing si Red. Malambing si Red. That's one thing I can say. Malambing si Red. Maalaga. Matyaga siya. Kahit pagod na siya, pumunta pa yun ng taping, dadalawin pa niya ako. Kahit galing din siya taping. Nagtsatsaga siya, mag-aantay siya sa kotse. I remember you used to wait in the car.
Yeah.
I used to wait in the car for me. And then you'll just sit there, kahit pagod ka na. And then you'll sleep in the car, and then I'll knock on the window, and then we'll start talking, and then hahatid mo pa. I was like, oh, our days. We were kids.
Possible ba na makasama mo si Rika live? It's a live si Rika. I am trying also. I've actually I also asked Trina, the one who played Dominique, to be a guest actually. So I'm trying that. I'm trying Rika also. So we'll see in the future. This is the first time I've done this. Last time na nag-FB live ako, it was during Halloween when we were doing yung there was this car wash na ginawa nilang horror house while drive-through, and it was fun. So we turned on the FB live so people could watch on what we were going through. So I'm not really used to this, and it was actually Sandy's idea of doing all of this, since there are a lot of requests, a lot of messages. I even, saan ba yun? Would you believe that someone wrote me a letter, and I got this at
Really?
work. She was able
To find your job?
to get the address of where I work.
Wow.
And my hotel just opened up June 24th of this year. So it's a fairly new hotel. Yeah.
Galing, ah.
So,
And what did she ask?
it's just a letter saying, back to back, two pages back to back. And the start of her sentence was, or her, the start of the letter was, "I'm pretty sure you're surprised to get this." Absolutely. You just read my mind. But yeah, I was, if Maria Sarmienta, if you are watching right now, again, thank you so much. You really surprised me on that.
So one was asking, what is the story of why you migrated to America?
Me?
May nagtanong.
It was, kasi, I was no longer in showbiz anyway. Tsaka yung asawa ko really grew up here in the US. So it was a choice of, do we want our kids to grow up in the Philippines or here in the US? And we decided that here's the US. As simple as that.
Do you
And
like it so far?
Huh?
Mas gusto mo na rin dito?
It's a very different life.
It
Very
is.
different life.
It really is.
Actually, kasi for your side, from the start you were in show business. Your working life in the Philippines was in show business. I have worked regular jobs before and after showbiz. So different yung ano yung tanong? Teka, this is an interesting question.
Which one?
Sandali ha. Pabalik tayo dyan.
If you're reading the same question that I read a while ago, that's funny.
Which one?
Paano daw ako naging sakit ng ulo?
Ay, hindi. No.
Okay, thank God, thank God.
Yung nabasa ko, paano ka niligawan ni Kuya Red?
Oh, meron ba yun? I didn't see that one.
Mm,
I don't know. How? Alam mo, hindi ko na maalala. Basta alam ko naging tayo na lang. How did it happen?
Mabilis ako eh.
Ay, parang alam ko.
Okay, girlfriend na kita.
Oo, parang ganun yata yung nangyari. It was something out of like, okay.
Matalik.
Oh, wow.
How did I meet my wife? Nako, hindi ko napapasukin yung yung tanong na yan. Sorry, but I will not answer that question. Do you have any have you heard any update about Idel Martinez?
No. But she's here in the US, I think, right?
No one knows, kasi
Yeah.
her name showed up. And it's always asking about Idel, and lahat kami actually we've been trying to find out about Idel also. Nothing on Facebook on Idel Martinez, unless she already got married and has a different last name. Sorry, pero wala kaming balita.
Yeah.
So niligawan ni Kiko yung ate ni Tere. So, who was
I
her
don't
sister in TG?
remember.
Sino
In TG?
ang ate ni Tere sa TGIS? Nakalimutan ko na. Pakisabi sa akin.
Baka daw nakapag-check-in daw siya sa hotel mo. Maybe the one that wrote the letter daw.
Hindi. Imposible.
No?
No.
It came from the Philippines?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Yan lang ang nilagay na comment. Nagbabasa ako.
It did not come. Actually, I do not know. But no, the answer is no. I'll have to go through this again, but I don't remember. I think she is here in the. I don't remember. But I was just really surprised that
She was able to find you.
No, this one came from the Philippines because DHL. This came through DHL. Walang DHL dito sa it would have been FedEx or what's the other one? UPS.
If it was here, right? Yeah.
Marjorie Barreto.
Saan Marjorie? Marjorie Barreto was my older sister. Did ikaw ba si Marjorie?
No. Absolutely not. But si Marjorie Barreto daw yung sister mo sa TGIS. No, ang sagot ay hindi. Hindi ko siya niligaw.
No. Sino daw unang
Bakit?
bumitaw? Itinanong sa ilan years na po kayo ni Miss Kim sa Texas? Bakit po kayo pumunta dyan? Well, I'm here. Ilan years na ba ako dito? Magpa 5 years na ako sa January. I moved here because lumipat ang kuya. And masyado na malamig at mahal sa New Jersey. So I plan to lumipat ako ng ibang state. Sometimes change is good. Kuya Red, why chopsticks? Curious lang po ako. Ano chopsticks? Yung kay Rika?
Yeah.
Bakit nga chopsticks? Ako rin curious ako. What's going on?
Ako, galit na galit ka sa plaka ko eh.
Ay, hugot. Ay.
Kasi alam niyo dati yung plate number ko, Chops. Anyway, nangiinis naman ako dito. Bakit ka ba chopsticks? Next time natin pag-usapan yun kapag siya ang guest ko.
Yeah. Kasi baka mas alam din niya. Mas maraming hugot. That's just, kailangan mo talaga siyang i-guest.
Tayong tatlo?
Sige na. Ay, hugot pa! Yay. Para lang malinaw. Isa, yes. Sige na, hayaan mo na wag lang magsalita. Shoop.
Tsaka, Liana, tsaka na kapag naging guest ko si Rika, yung tanong mo sasagutin natin.
Yes, there you go.
Okay. Tapos, may tanong kung bakit si Chico nawala sa TG. Actually, si Chico si Gabby, yes, Chico, they migrated here sa US.
Yeah.
Kaya nawala si Chico dahil they left the Philippines, they moved here sa US. Pero ngayon, bumalik siya sa Pilipinas. Why was Chico... so, kaya nawala si Chico Ventosa or Gabby sa TGIS because lumipat siya sa US.
Gusto ko to ha. May nagsabi dito, natawa naman ako doon. Sabi niya, nagselo si Kim sa chopsticks. Yung mukha niya. Ay.
Nahirang na. In-observe ko eh.
Tawa na eh. Katawa ko na lang yan eh.
Nako, ilang years na po kayo dyan sa US, Kiko? 13 years. 13 years. And I think Kim is longer than I have.
16.
You've been here since...
Na ako, 16 years. I've been here for 16 years. It took me 16 years bago ako makabili ng ng bahay.
Kim, more stories of Red as a BF, please.
Uy, gusto pa niya marinig, oh.
Ha? Ano na?
Gusto mo pa marinig, eh, no? He was good. Wala akong masabi naman. Nalagaan naman ako ni Red. Red was, may pagka-gentleman yan.
Tapos ano yung follow-up question niya? Ito talagang
ilan naging boyfriend sa show? Dalawa. It was Red and Dino. Yeah. Si Red din, dalawa. Me and Secret. Siya na yung magsabi.
Okay, ulit?
Sabi, ilan daw naging boyfriend ko? Sabi ko, ikaw, Kim, ilan naging boyfriend mo sa showbiz? Sabi ko, dalawa. It's you and Dino. That's it. May nagtanong dito, isa, longest relationship ko, 10 years, yung ex-fiancé ko. Between Dino and my ex, 17 years yun. To believe that, 17 years of my life. Woohoo! At that time, kasi I've been single for 3 years now, so it was like half of my life. Two dudes. Cheers.
Chico's family moved to the US shortly after TGS. The movie, sinagot niya yan, TGS pinsan, but he's back in Manila right now, heading... Kuya Michael is back in the room.
Yeah, I saw that too. Nandiyan ka ba? Listen, man. You okay? Kuya Mike, where are you? Kuya, sabagay. Kuya Mike ko yan eh. Can you add him? Wala. Sayang, gusto ko rin siya makita eh. Bakit daw tayo nag-break?
Ewan ko, ikaw sumagot niyan. Ikaw nakapag-break sa akin eh.
Hindi pa ako ready. Bagets pa. Yun lang yun. Let's leave it there.
Kahagising lang daw niya eh. Ewan ko lang kung...
Nagbigay ka ba ng ring kay Michelle? Bigay ka ng ring kay Rika?
Ha?
You gave Rika a ring?
Ha?
May nagsabi nagbigay ka daw ng ring kay Rika. I was like, what?
Ano yun?
Sa palabas?
Baka sa labas.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, kasi binigay mo kay Michelle
Okay.
sa TGIS. Ikaw talaga.
Thank you.
Ano yung
Lalo na.
nabubuking ka?
Buti na lang naka-makeup ako. Kundi pula-pula na ako. Kagigising ko lang. Magulo buhok ko, sabi ni Mike. Oh wow, hair daw niya magulo.
Saan? Sa kilikili? Hindi ko nakita yung kanyang...
Sino daw naging best friend mo? Who are you closest with sa
Bob.
cast? Bob talaga, no?
Mhm.
Yeah, ako nung time na yun, it was Angelo sa TGIS. But then afterwards, always Sunshine. Season.
Sino
Closest ko yun.
Wait lang, ha?
Mm-mm.
Sino ang message sa akin? Teka, he is trying to join, but I don't know if he'll be able to unless I...
Can you unlock the room?
I'll join.
You want to shut it off and
I
then go
might
back? It's fine with me. Sige na, Kuya Mike, sali ka na. Wala akong pasok. Oh, let's do this.
I'm asking him kung yung link na binigay ko nag-work sa kanya. Kasi kung hindi, we might just have to come back. There's 185 people actually right now with us.
Promise ring daw. Oh.
Okay, so it means that everyone babalik. Anong promise ring?
Promise. You wait for me. Ay, si Cheno. Ay.
Sandali ha. Okay, everyone, babalik kami para si Mike ay makasali sa amin. We'll be back.
Bye.